Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, I'm alive, I'm kicking. Thanks for all those that were concerned. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and a review of the XIXI jewelry line by Adrienne Bailon Houghton. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm obsessed with the Cheetah Girls, all things the Cheetah Girls. Everyone knows that I am Galleria Garibaldi. Her, Raven, Keely, Sabrina, like they're my childhood. Especially Raven and Adrienne. I was them. She's doing the damn thing on the reel. But yeah, so I'm excited to review Adrienne's line. I was doing research to buy the jewelry that I was gonna get. I couldn't find much size reference. Excuse my list because I have my aligners in. I don't know how helpful I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna try to describe the sizing as best as I can. I don't remember the prices because I got all of the jewelry pieces that I bought around April, and right now I'm filming this in May. I'll put the prices and the pieces that I got around somewhere. So the first piece that I got is this one. Okay, for size reference, I'd say this is about, I feel like everybody knows the size of like an Aleve pill. That's how small this one is. I wanted to know if it was like a text. Okay. I wanted to know if it was like, you know, daintier. It's not as small as I thought it would be because it could get real small. The size of a like a nerd ball, like the candy. I was thinking that maybe it could be that size or it could be this size, which is the size of an Aleve pill. I got this in April and I have not taken it off since I got it. I shower with this necklace and it's still holding up, like it hasn't turned at all, and I shower with it. But I love this one. This is like my everyday necklace. The other two I was gonna use to layer with this piece. I had like the whole vision in my mind. I have not unboxed this since April, you guys. This is strength and willpower. So this is the box and you're gonna unbox it with me. Oh, okay, great. At least these ones that I got came with like the receipt, so I know what it is and I can say what these are. This one that I'm wearing right now came inside this cute little it's like a little bottle with the cork on it. So I got the bar necklace in gold and the price was $14.99 without shipping. Everyone says this works. Yeah, it looks like this. Let it gleam. I'm gonna put this on after it so that you guys can see how it's gonna layer. The next one that I got was the initial necklace, XIXI initial necklace in the letter C for Christina, and that was $30. This one came in this box. Cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, hold on, I'm confused. Okay, excuse my nails, but look, so you open it and it looks like this. Oop. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, ma'am. It looks like this. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. The size of this, this is a dime right here for reference. Okay, so that's the dime for reference. See, like when I push it all the way to the side, you get a little bit more dime space, so it's definitely a little bit smaller than a dime. In length, it's the exact same length as a dime. There you go. Boom. Okay, this is cute. I'm loving this. Okay, I see. I was getting a little concerned because the length of my everyday necklace and the C initial necklace. So I put this one on the farthest circle on the extender chain, and then this one's on the one that's the closest. So this one is the tightest right now. This one's the loosest. Like these look hella similar. This one's on the tightest too. These two would probably be the same size if they were on the same notch. So that was what was concerning me because I definitely wanted this one to be longer than this one. Here's a closer look. Okay, it's kind of cute. They're all very dainty pieces. Oh my god, I love it. I love how it's gleaming in the light. Come on, I'm gonna wear this to close this video. That's all that I had for this video. Thank you to all those that watched this video. I know I missed a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna try to fill it in inside the like description, and I'm gonna try to fill it in inside the video. But thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out all the other videos that I've made. I haven't made a lot, but you know, I'll see you in my next video. I have no outro. I have no official outro. Sorry if I can't talk this video. I have my aligners in. It's hard to get my S's out. I'll see you when I post my next video. Okay, bye.